Hi all, what a week it's been in Merthyr Tudful. I want to share some incredible moments and important messages. First of all, I'm sure you'll have all seen we welcomed some royal guests to Merthyr Tudful last week. It was an absolute honour to host Their Majesties the King and Queen at Cyfarthfa Castle and Cyfarthfa Park Primary School. Thank you again to all of the residents who showed up on the castle forecourt to greet our special guests, despite the awful weather. Rhian Bowen Davis, the Older People's Commissioner for Wales, spent an entire week diving deep into our community, meeting with incredible groups like the Dementia Carers Connect and Merthyr Valley Veterans. Her commitment to understanding and supporting our older residents is truly inspiring. She visited community centres, care homes and local facilities, showing that listening is the first step to making real change. Last weekend was absolutely magical. The We Love Merthyr Christmas light switch on was a blast. Kids enjoyed face painting, balloon modelling and an amazing street entertainment. Huge thanks to Capital FM's Josh and Callie for making the evening so festive and fun. I had a great time and I hope all of you attended did too. That's all from me this week, so stay kind, stay connected and let's continue making Merthyr a community that we can all be proud of. See you all next week. Diolch.